Guys, welcome back to my channel.
Well, here's your.
I'm going to be making a salad today.
Don't get me in there.
So, we're going to be making the salad. So first what I have is some lettuce. Alright, so we're just going to take this here. And
You need to sit that tea in the refrigerator and get it out of the way.
it's fine. I'm just gonna break off some lettuce and I'm gonna tear it in the bowl. So that's what we're gonna do.
Where's your camera?
Alright, so let's get all that. Gonna do.
Did you get cheese?
Yeah. Alright, so take this a bit. Alright, so we put some lettuce in there, and then we're gonna put up some cucumber. How many do you want of the cucumbers? I got 4. 4.
Don't cut your finger.
I'm not. Alright, so then we're going to put those in there. Got the cutting board. So we don't cut the table. So put those in there. And I just cut these two. Alright. So put all those in there. And then alright. So then we're gonna put some cheddar cheese in there. Cheddar cheese. Oh, we actually have some tomato too. Forgot about that. So we'll cut that tomato up real quick. And I'll cut it in half. Okay. Cut it in half. Put another slice in there. Put that in there. Is that small enough? Is that small enough? Okay. Alright, so we'll put a few of those in there. Put some tomato juice in there. Okay. So we got some tomato juice in there. And cucumber. Then we're going to put some mild cheddar cheese in there. Put just a little bit of that in there. Well, I'm still putting a decent amount, maybe more than decent. And then we're going to put just a few bacon bits in there. So that, I think, is good. Then we're going to take some zesty Italian dressing and spritz that. Alright, so we put that in there. Then we're going to take a fork and we're going to mix that up. I think I put a little too much lettuce because I don't know if she is going to eat that much. So we're going to see if she does, and if she does, then good. Because we put a little bit extra stuff in there than I usually do, so yep. Alright, so I hope it's good for her. Now, this is what your salad should look like if you followed my recipe. what your salad should look like. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like, and turn on those post notifications to see more videos. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.